Okay, guys. Today we are going to discuss about load balancer in Azure. For that, uh, we can create two virtual machines. In this, we can install uh, Apache on the both machines because I'm going to deploy two virtual machine, Linux virtual machine. I'm going to deploy Apache server on both the servers. Then we can install the Azure load balancer. Then we'll see how the load balance will work from automatically to take the traffic from one server to another server. How the load balancer will work, you can go and see and practically. Let me go to the portal.azure.com. I already created one virtual machine. In this already I have created Apache on the server. Let me run the command and I can verify whether Apache is installed or not. Let me just have a look on this. Okay, it is already running. Let me have a check whether it is running or not. This is the command. You can check. See below starting Apache HTTP server, Apache HTTP server is running. Okay, so already it is running. So let me open a web page and we can see whether it is running or not. Let me take the IP address of this machine. Go to here. Type this machine. Okay. /index.html. See the application is Apache 2 is running and you see the above it is pointing to VM1. Okay. Let me minimize it. Let me go to virtual machine. In the global search, let me search virtual machine. Let me create a new VM. Means one more VM I'm going to create. Select my resource group, create a name called VM2. Same region I'm going to select West US. Everything would be on the same. Let me go with the same Ubuntu machine. Same machine. Password. Let me create a new password for this VM. Okay. Let me create a port number 22. Okay, next. Disks. Let me go with the default one. Networking. Let me select the already which we have one. VM1 net. Subnet would be on the same. Public IP would be on VM2 IP. Network security group. Let me select the default one already which I have one in SG1. Select the delete public IP and when VM is deleted. Let me just next advanced. next. Okay, it will validate and it will create. So it is passed the validation passed. Let me create the new VM. So deployment deployment is it is in progress. Okay, it is done. Let me go and check the VM2 is running on both same location. Okay, let me check resource group same location. Public IP would be there. 10.0.05. Okay, VMNet. Okay, we go to the network security group. It is having only one. Okay, virtual machine VM2 network settings. Okay, same. Okay, now let me go to the virtual machine. Take the IP, public IP. Let me try to log in. Let me log in. This is the another machine. Let me log in to the virtual machine. User R SSH user R @ the IP address. Yes, type the password. Let me go to root credentials. Sudo apt update. Okay, update done. So let me go into install Apache on this machine. Sudo install Apache 2. sudo apt list upgradable. Yes, okay. Sudo apt install Apache 2. Yes, Apache is getting installed now. It is getting progress. Okay, it is scanning. Okay, it is done. Now sudo nano slash variable slash www slash html slash index dot html. Yeah, let me come down the header section. Let me add the h1 header 1 vm2, closing this one. Okay, let me just save this one. Yes. Okay, now let me open the web page, copy this public IP. Let me go to the web browser. Let me just open the new one, slash index.html. See here, this one it is showing VM2. This one it is showing VM1. So the both the machines, web browser Apache is running successfully. So now we'll go to Azure portal. We can get it installed on the load balancer. Load balancers. Can go to load balancers. Here we are going to create standard load balancer. Here we can select our resource group, name, web load balancer LB. I can make it. Okay, same resource, same region, standard distribute traffic to load balancers, public, regional. Next is asking for front-end IP configuration. Let me create a add front-end IP configuration. Name, front-end 1, IP4, IP address, select. You can ask to create a new one. New front-end public. Save. And save. Next Go to backend pools. We need to add the which servers to add. First, resource group, our VM virtual network. Okay, let me add both the VMs. Add, add now. Okay, let me save. Okay, need to get a. We need to put a backend pool name. LB pool 1. I'll put it. Save. Inbound rules. If you want, we can add. Add a load balancing rule. We can add load balancing rule. So backend pool is created. Inbound rules. Add a load balancing rule. LB rule 1 IP4. I can put as a front-end IP address. Okay. Backend pool can create TCP protocol. TCP port number 80. Backend port 80. Everything would be same. Just click save. The value must be empty. Okay. Create health probe name. Okay. Health can make it TCP. Save. Okay. Okay. Let me now create save. So inbound NAT rule, nothing going to install. Next. Outbound rule, I'm not going to do anything. Next. Review and create. Create. It is getting deployed now. Let's see. Okay. See here. Okay. Deployment succeeded. Okay. Everything is done. Let me copy this IP address and we'll try to log into the web page. Let me type the password. Sorry. Type the web IP address slash index.html. See, the web page is loading. It is showing VM1. Let me copy the same IP address. Let me go to the different session, different tab, creating the new tab. Let me type the same IP and index.html. It is getting VM1. Let me open a incognito mode window. Let me type the password, username, sorry, the IP address index.html. Continue site It is also getting VM1 only. Let me just type it. Wait, we'll check again. Just I am waited for the couple of minutes. Then let me reopen the browser once again. Let me just type /index.html. Still it is loading VM1. Let me open the another one. Let's see whether it is loading or not. See, now it is loading VM2. Got it? So application load balancer is successfully working. Okay, now let me just show you the one more thing. Let me go to the virtual machine. Okay, let me stop the VM2 and wait for the this this let it be complete. Then we'll try to using the application load balancer IP, and we can try to access. Okay, it is stopped now. Let me just refresh it. See, VM2 is stopped now. VM2 is stopped now. Okay, it is stopped now. Now let me go to the web page. Let me go to. I'm going to access using the public IP. Enter. See the web page. It is accessing from VM1. So, but it means load balancer works. It is works successfully. If the another VM it is not working also, it will run successfully. Let me go to the VM. Let me start the VM2. Then let me stop the VM1 now. Okay. Okay, VM2 it is starting now. It is running now. So see, VM1 is deallocating. It is going to stop now. Deallocating. It is stopped now. Now let me go to the browser again. Let me close this one. Let me close this one. Let me close this one also. Let me open the public IP. This is a load balancer IP. Now let me trying to access. See why it is opening VM1. It is already, it is stopped. Refresh. VM2 it is running, right? It is taking from cache. Let me close it and we'll open it once again. Let's see. Okay, let me open the browser. Okay, type it. Enter. Why it is showing only VM1? Open /index.html. See, it is opening VM2 because it is showing it's a cache. No need to worry. So VM2 is running now. Let me just open once again with the public IP. It is cache here. Sorry. Index.html. See VM2 because already it is in power down. VM1 is already powered down, right? Okay. So likewise, the application, the load balance is working successfully with the help of we have in the lab environment, we have seen the two virtual machines with the Apache installed on it. Okay, guys. So today we have discussed how the load balancer works using the two virtual machines, Linux virtual machines. Thank you, guys. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. And I will I will give you my WhatsApp link, Telegram link. Can you please log in with my Telegram group or WhatsApp group so that you can get more updates? Please watch and subscribe my YouTube channel, please. Thank you, guys. Bye.